2009, it was a summer Sunday afternoon. I was tied to my desk. I was doing investment banking work in the city at the time. I went online looking for something that reminded me of home. I couldn't find an authentic Maine-style lobster roll in New York City, so I went to work to solve that myself. My name is Luke Holden, and I'm the founder and CEO of Luke's Lobster. Luke's Lobster is a vertically integrated seafood company. We work directly with fishermen, buy their live lobster, crab, shrimp, bring it into our own seafood company in Maine, cook it and process it and ship it all over the world. I am a third-generation lobsterman and a second-generation lobster processor. Coming from a fishing family, that component of our business is extremely sincere, significant to me personally, and being part of that community growing up, Luke's is very much a way to build a brand that helps support the families in the working waterfront.
I think it's pretty easy to be connected to Luke's. I'm pretty passionate about what we do and our brand. The easiest thing about it is that our food is awesome. You know, the hardest part can be getting our lobster tails or getting our Jonah crab into the correct hands. But once it gets there, I feel pretty confident that we're going to be in good shape and people are really going to enjoy it.
From day one, we've always taken the approach of trying to create win-wins, trying to create a better work environment for our teammates, trying to create a better price for our fishermen, and trying to just create the best quality products in our seafood company. So for us, every single time we've had the opportunity to grow, we've made sure that we've been mindful of all of the stakeholders in our business. Every incremental dollar of sales, we need incremental teammates, and we need incremental pounds of lobster and crab and shrimp. And we take great pride in truly owning and managing the supply chain from fishermen to guest, or fishermen to a partner like Whole Foods. As we've got larger and had a more meaningful impact on our stakeholders, that's ultimately motivating for us. I mean, I think a lot of us, in many ways, if we had a choice, we'd have that one mom and pop lobster shack. But in the end, having a bigger brand voice gives us a bigger platform to ultimately lead to more meaningful change in the working waterfront.